It was a really close game. Both halves were really competitive, and we felt that our first half performance probably wasn't up to the standard that we're happy with, but the way that we came out in the second half and battled and really challenged in those 50-50 battles was most impressive for us, because it shows that we can do that now. Whilst it's frustrating, we still didn't lose, so to get a point away at Britain Ferry is still a really good result for us.
I thought we were the better team in the first half. I think it could have been 2 or 3 in the first half, with a missing a header and Witchy missing a header, but we went into half time knowing I think we were the stronger team. Obviously in the second half, big decision with the red card, which I think was deserved, and Mayo knows that. But in the second half, I thought one of the decisions from the referee was not what I agreed with. I thought it was a poor decision, and that changed the dynamic of the game then.
Talking about next week, the Janeiro Adran Trophy final, you must be excited for your first final against Swansea next week in Newtown.
Yeah, it's a huge game, but we've got an even bigger test first in the league on the Wednesday, so we're taking every game as it comes, and today we had the challenge here and we managed to get the point. We've got another big game away to Wrexham on Wednesday, and then once that game's out of the way, we can then focus on the final.
And next Sunday, you've got your first ever final. How excited are you?
Really excited, a bit nervy, but we should be fine, and as long as we keep our cool. But yeah, really excited.
Well, Megan, I'm going to ask you about that last-minute equaliser. Talk us through it.
Yeah, I think I just seen the ball sort of coming over, and I thought that centre-back's a bit further up. I thought that if that goes over, I've got to get myself in a position to run on, and I got the ball to my feet, and I just thought if I can just stay as composed as possible. Like, I hadn't been on the pitch long, and I thought the girls have just run their absolute guts out for 90 minutes. The least I can do is just try and stick this in the back of the net, and luckily it went in. And it always feels good to score at the last minute like that equaliser. But I think if you'd said to us at the beginning of the day, we probably would have been a bit disappointed with a point at home, because we pride ourselves in our record here at Old Road. But yeah, I think overall, when you look at the contents of the game and everything, we're happy to take a point today.
A word on Meg Curl. She was a substitute. She came on and she scored in that 90 plus 4 minutes.
Yeah, club legend. She's been here a long time, and she's been unfortunately out with a couple of injuries this season, but she's come back, and I've asked her to do a little bit of a job for us in the last moments of the game, and she's done more than a job. She's got us back in and scored the equaliser, and under immense pressure, when it's probably the only chance we're going to get at that moment of the game, calmly slots it home. So amazing from her.